So before we had the windows installed, we were having a lot of heat coming into the house and a lot of noise. So this window was original to the house, really old, and I sit in here and work during the day and was just experiencing this room being, 15 degrees warmer than, other parts of the house. So the heat was definitely one of the big things, and just aesthetically as well, it wasn't the most beautiful window. So definitely we're excited to get rid of that heat and have it just look a lot nicer in here. The sales process was really easy. I reached out through the website to have someone come out to the house and do an on-site kind of walk through and talk through what we were looking for. What was really helpful was that we have original windows through the entire house, and we're going to need to be replacing all of them eventually. So we kind of went window by window and kind of talked through each of them. And then our sales rep drew up a plan of all of our windows and then recommended some phasing for us to do them in different time increments, and then prioritize the ones where we were having either water issues or excessive heat coming through, and kind of did those as phase one. So it was really like a 1 hour kind of process to have someone come to the house, talk through our needs, get that initial kind of plan put together, and then be able to have all of the information we needed to move forward with the process from there. So the installation process was a really awesome experience. We had the installers come out that morning and kind of just start getting everything ready. They had, really had everything prepped nicely. There was no mess left over after they finished their work. I was home the entire time, working actually from home, and other than hearing the noise, obviously, of having the windows, removed and then put back in, it was really not disruptive at all. Someone from the company then came back the next day and just walked through and really looked closely at how the installers had done, and just made sure that we were happy, and that they also, were kind of doing a double check on the quality of the install, which we definitely appreciated. So really great installation process, and couldn't have gone better from our perspective. My favorite thing about the new windows is definitely the heat insulation. Living in Arizona, that heat can be pretty extreme, and all of the windows that we've replaced so far are windows that get a lot of direct sunlight and are in parts of the house that can heat up pretty quickly. So that just noticing that difference in the temperature, not just right near the window, but really being able to tell the difference in the temperature and the comfort of our home has been great. It doesn't hurt that they also look beautiful. So really, really happy with the end product. I would definitely recommend Modern Resolution Windows. The process was great. Everyone we worked with at the company was very knowledgeable and responsive. We got our windows installed during a period of COVID when there were a lot of delays in just manufacturing and shipping, and they managed that all very professionally. We received a lot of updates if there were going to be some slight delays in the timelines. So if you're considering purchasing windows, I would definitely consider Modern Resolution Windows. If you're looking for windows that are very high quality, look very nice, but are also a reasonable budget, this is a great company to consider.